Okay, this is my first unboxing from nakedwines.com. I saw it in Twitter, and they said, "Let me try." I love wine, and I could show you. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 28 bottles of wine in my apartment, so I want to try this. This is the first time I'm gonna do it. Maybe I'll give it a thumbs up. It's funny that UPS, they came in yesterday. I'm in lockdown, so they came in yesterday, and I took a nap around 11:30ish, and he came at 11:30ish, but I didn't hear him knocking, so he left. Let me know. So okay, we're gonna come in today, Saturday. So I was in the lookout. I was sitting in my computer, but then I said, yeah, let me take a nap around 11:30ish. And then when I get up, I receive an email that they were here. I said, oh shit. Okay, but the guy's from Arecibo, Puerto Rico. So he just came in this afternoon. He told me, yo, I finished my route. Let me go around just to see if he's at home. So lucky, I was sitting there, somebody knocking. I said, who the hell is knocking at my door? Nobody knocked at my door. So it's the guy from UPS, from Puerto Rico, Boricua. He's good. So let me unbox this. Okay. Let's see what we got. Maybe we got something good. I don't know. Okay. This is my first one. One of a lot. I mean, I like to, I'm going to do a couple of wine things. And if you want to know from you, I like all this. Look at that. Welcome letter. Okay. That's good. It's real boxy. Okay. Real professional, you know. It's recyclable. I like to recycle. Okay, so let's make sure we recycle everything. Okay. Nino. If you're from Puerto Rico, you know what that means. Nino aquí. My chest from the night 2018. Nice. Look at this. Look at this. Nice. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. I asked it for red. I'm a red. I love red. Cabernet Sauvignon 2018. Beautiful. See it? Beautiful. Okay. Let's see another one. Mauricio Lorca. Oh, my favorite. Malbec. It's from Argentina. I mean, if this is the one I love, it's from Argentina, Malbec. I mean, that's my favorite. I mean, all across the board, this is my favorite. You know I'm going to get more. You know it. I'm going to get more of this. Okay? 3 to go. Should I take a break? Come back. Keep on going. Sorry for my Under Armour. I love Under Armour. Vino de España. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that. Look at that. Spain. I love Spain too. Oof. This got to be good. I'll let you know. 2 to go. Oregon. I was up there in Fort Lewis, Washington when I was in the Army, so I know they got some good wine. Look at this. This gotta taste delicious. One more to go. El Mechón Sin Fronteras. Nice, California. Oof. Look at that. California. California. You're gonna love this. California. Woohoo! Okay. Nice box. Recyclable. Always recycle your boxes, your paper, your cups, your glass, your Try to recycle everything. Life is about recycling, okay? I like this. Naked Wine. nakedwine.com. nakedwine.com. And people don't, this is something that people gotta realize. Sometimes when you hit that click on the web, and Twitter, and Instagram, Facebook, sometimes it works. I mean, you take a risk. I did order this on Thursday afternoon, and I got it yesterday. Well, I got it today, Saturday, because the story from the front. But I mean, good service. This is something I gotta taste. I'm gonna put it in my wine refrigerator, and let me do it like this. Okay, can you see it? Love it. No, not yet. Love it. Love it. I love wine. Time out. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. From, let's hit it again, nakedwine.com. I think this is my second time in life that I order wine online. So let's make it happen. They got me. I'm gonna buy them. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. My name is Mark Anthony. I go by the name El Hijo de Doña Tere. El Hijo de Doña Tere. Nice.